Excuse me, Poppy.
Huh?
Do you feed Abby a treat?
Look, watch
Yes.
it. Look.
It's a,
See how she
it's a
did?
meat treat.
She just
Okay.
doesn't bite
Honey,
you.
go get me another little plate so I can separate
Watch.
this.
Watch.
Here, go get me another little plate. and
Oh,
shove that
God,
in the
5
steak
second
and
roll.
Okay.
Hurry.
Wait,
Yes, I'm going to get it.
So funny. Okay. Oh my God.
I don't have no small little ones, okay? I got
these
a bowl.
8-inch.
Just
Huh?
chill, doggy.
Oh, that's good.
And Casey's not even breathing doing it.
She's not breathing? Or breathing hard?
She's not breathing.
Oh,
Hello, Abby. You're the best.
hell is this?
And let me whisper to your ear.
Oh, sorry. I love you. Cantaloupe? Ooh.
See?
Oh, thanks.
From your big fluffy eyes.
it's a mango, baby. I don't know how to
Sweet
make mango.
doggy.
I'm so hungry.
Yeah?
I'll take a free mango.
You have food over here. You're not eating Casey's
Oh
mango.
God. But guys, do you know what this is? No. I'm gonna show you something special tonight. Nana, do you have any snacks?
I do, baby.
What's
You know
n-
what?
what kind?
Casey got you some. I don't want to mix the thing.
Hot Fires, it's easy.
All kinds of snacks in
Oh God, la 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 la.
here.
La 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 la, I love these.
Oh, and they're good.
Oh la la la. Flaming hot. Flaming hot. Spicy.
Oh, thank you for going to ask her.
Let's try the taste test.
Because I was starving.
Baby, I have some pears and peaches.
Let's try the taste test, shall we? Yeah, let's try this, shall we?
Okay, I'll give you
It's a burger.
peaches. They're already sliced, okay?
I still like it.
You got it. I know, me too. In fact, I'll eat some with you.
Hot.
Yeah, let me see
Hot.
what expiration date is on the cottage cheese because I am
Go
not
ahead, be
sure.
careful. Abby's eating this.
Sorry.